Yes, a mixture of two bands.
Speaks like tension.
Speaks like tension.
Speaking of tension,
Sure.
there's some tension in this room. Alright, this is probably our first big song we ever wrote, we ever thought of, came up with. It's called We'll Make It. As they tune. Get it. Oh. Alright, this. One second.
We're on Facebook and MySpace, so come check us out. And we're also on Reverb Nation. No one knows what that is. No one knows what that is.
Alright.
Look it up.
So this is going to be our last song for the night. I'd like you to stick around after this to listen to Luke Hall. This is a special song. We have no bass. I'm sorry. Timothy's all sad over there because there's no bass in this song. He's crying. It's okay. But we've got two guitars. We make up for it.
Yep. Wait, I did this.
Of course.
Mine.
Hello? Oh, okay, it's loud.
Alright. This is our newest song, just so you know.
It was kind of a last-ditch effort to record it.
Yes, we wanted to put a bonus track on the album. I don't understand what bonus track means because it's still a track on the album and it's with the music, but it's a bonus track. So it's good for you. It's a happy present. So this next song is called Which Way?
Oh.
Go, James.
Just, it's gonna be like a 5-minute thing, so.
Oh, goody. Now I have to talk. What do I say? I'm gonna try to be a stand-up comedian up here. Look, I'm standing.
If you're gonna be, dude, don't.
1 second. Somebody give me a water bottle. All stand-up comedians have a water bottle. They sit here and they open up the water and they're like, yeah, the weather. What about it?
I have an announcement.
I'm not funny at all.
All baseball fans out there, the Cardinals are beating the Cubs 4-2.
Okay, we hear a lot of yays. We hear a lot of yays. Who likes the Cubs?
Cardinals suck.
Nobody. Oh, one person. Everybody look at her and say shame. No, I'm joking.
Go
Here for the
Yankees.
Cardinals. Woo!
Cardinals.
Go Yankees.
I don't particularly like baseball. It's not my favorite sport.
I personally do not like baseball.
I don't think I like any sport except for
No.
chess is a fun sport. Who likes chess? Yes! All those nerds out there, raise their hand in pride. Yeah, we got people on our backs. And with pride.
Are you guys having a good time tonight with Speaks Like Silence and us?
Yeah. Yeah. We're the funniest, coolest bands in the whole of Illinois and Iowa. Are we ready? We are not ready. I'm sorry if you guys don't like me talking. I know I'm a little bit of an annoying person when it comes to things like this. Let me do a whistling solo if you want to hear it. Do you guys want to hear a whistling solo? Yeah! I'm really bad at it, but I'll try. How'd you like it? Yeah! I can whistle! I'm sorry.
Hey, oh, let's go.
Alright, it's ready for Which Way? What was that? I think it was mine. Hello. Huh? Got it. We're cool. Awkward noises.